Deepa Shetty here, speaking from a clinic called Saukyam. The mission of Saukyam is well-being of all. With summer, there are lots of brightness which comes into our life in the form of shining sun, and our moods are elevated. But along with that, there are lots of diseases also which creeps in the form of waterborne diseases and sunstroke and sun exhaustion. So let's understand today how do we keep ourselves healthier in this brighter and amazing summer. First and foremost, we all know that we need to hydrate ourselves. And while hydrating ourselves, we need to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water, which is always told to us. But what happens is, we get bored drinking the same water sometimes, or we forget. So you can make it a little flavored water by putting lemon in that water, mint in that water, cucumber in that water. Take 1 can or liter of can and put all these things sliced up, and you can drink this also to add flavor. Lemon water is also very good to keep your dehydration at bay, but do keep yourself hydrated this summer. If you are getting bored to count the number of glasses that you have to drink, what you can do is you can always start your day with a fruit juice. So watermelon juice, muskmelon juice, berries, all of this will add not only water content in your body, also it will add antioxidant properties and all the vitamins which these fruits do contain. We can also make smoothies of greens, because greens also are very helpful to our system. So you make a smoothie of a bigger leaf like palak with a coriander or a mint and drink it every day. So if this is completely taken care in the start of the day, then keeping the hydration on the whole day becomes quite little easier. Also, eat frequent and small meals. Since the metabolism in the heat is increasing in your body, too much food cannot be digested because this digestion process is slowed during the time of summer. So eat small and frequently. Also, don't eat too much stored food because of the heat this food gets spoiled. Hence, eating outside food will also make it very difficult for you to keep diseases at bay. So if you want to keep your system healthy, see to it that you make or eat homemade food. Also, do add protein in your diet. So gram flour like sattu, that's a roasted gram flour, can also be taken as a start of the day with some amount of mint and coriander and salt, and making another good amount of a drink which can not only provide you with hydration but also with protein. Another thing which develops in summer are the skin diseases. So see to it that when you're sweating, you remove those clothes immediately. Don't allow it to really dry on yourself, but remove them, and also do care of cleansing, scrubbing and moisturizing of your skin. Wear loose clothes so the tight ones don't accumulate sweat out there for a longer time. The loose clothes will help the air to flow in, and hence you can keep those rashes and skin diseases at bay. Keep your exercise regime on even in this summer. Even if you feel heated up and you really feel sweaty, you need to keep your exercise and your body moving. Because your metabolisms are slow, you need to keep moving your body, and cycling, hiking, swimming is a very good exercise during this time. All this will keep you very fit and healthy. Another thing which I do on my daily basis to keep myself cool, when you are actually feeling very heated up, even with the ACs on, sometimes you really feel the inner heat, you can take or put a scented towel on your face. So you take cool water, and in that you can put a little scented oil, any kind of plant scented oil, dip a towel in it, really twist it and keep it in the fridge for some time, and then you can use it on your face, on your body, and really feel cool out there. By following few tips so that you can keep sun exhaustion, sunstroke at bay and all the diseases at bay by eating homemade food more frequently. Even sugary foods or high on carb food will keep your system slowed down because it's really difficult to digest, and this digestion is a little slower in summer. Hence, by keeping things which are going to keep your system good and eating more on greens and fruits and water containing based food will keep your system cooler and you can really feel good. Sometimes some people and some of my patients complain that when I try to keep my system cool by drinking suppose buttermilk or curd, because that's also a very good way of keeping yourself hydration, they do complain they tend to get cold and cough. But see that if you have a tendency of a cold or a chilly or a kapha body, You need to see that you don't take a refrigerated one. You need to see that you add more water, and you need to see which kind of food is causing this. So for that you really require a professional guidance, but keeping your system cool is must, along with what is not suiting you. So for that you really need to sit and we need to discuss what can be personalized for you. But the bottom line is keep yourself hydrated. Eat fruits and the ones which are more on the water content, and stay healthy in this summer. Thank you for allowing me to add value in your life. That was so nice to be there, and do comment on the comment section. Thank you.